Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord voice not working step by step. So first of all, simply come here on Discord. Then you just have to simply take a look at your username here in the bottom. So simply click on the option of the user settings right next to it. Now over here among the given options inside the Discord settings under experience, click on the option of voice and video. Now over here under voice, you just have to simply look for the option of input device. So here simply choose the option of input and the output devices. So select the microphone that you want to use and the headphones or the speakers where you want to hear other people. You can also check the input mode and make sure that it is set to the voice activity unless you specifically want to use push to talk. You can also scroll down a bit and then look for the option of the mic test in order to check whether Discord can hear your microphone. Also make sure that you are not muted or basically deafened in the voice channel. If you are still having the same problem, you can just simply scroll down a bit and look for the option of debugging section, and here you can reset the voice and the video settings as well. Confirm the reset and rejoin your voice channel. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.